Air curtains, or air doors, produce a controlled stream of air across building entryways and openings to create environmental separation between two spaces. They regulate temperature, keep flying insects out, and block smoke and contaminants. It's extremely important to ensure you have the right products. Let's discuss what to keep in mind when specifying air curtains and how to make the right choice. First is building size. When choosing an air curtain, you must take into account a building's specific requirements so the air curtain is strong enough for your needs, but not an overkill. Next is entryway size. It's important that your air curtain covers the entire width of an entryway. If not, outside air may enter through the gaps, lessening the effectiveness of the air curtain. Wide openings can be effectively covered with multiple units. However, bigger motors and bigger size isn't always better. With an air curtain for a drive-through window, for example, it won't require a high velocity that would create undue noise and airflow that's too strong. Next is the type of entryway. Your choice of air curtain will also depend on the type of opening you want to cover. Consider if your door is manual, automatic, revolving, or always open. If you have doors to permit the free flow of customers and staff, you'll require an air curtain that runs continually. If you have automatic doors, you need air curtains with automatic door switches that run only when the doors open and stop when they close. Next is application. The most important consideration is the purpose of your air curtain. Do you need it for flying insect control at your restaurant, protecting climatized air inside your building, or maintaining your freezer-cooled storage at its optimal temperature? These are important to understand during selection. And remember, a variety of styles and installation options are also available to align with your interior aesthetic. An air curtain is indispensable when it comes to regulating indoor air temperature while creating substantial energy savings. It's important to consider your primary objectives, such as energy savings or temperature control, flying pest control, or cold storage stabilization. And considerations such as building complexity, expected wind load, air pressure, and others will come into play as you choose an air curtain. For ease in air curtain selection, Mars Product Selector can ease the process and help you find the right air curtain for your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and information on how Mars air curtains can help your business.